Growing up, I was always really interested in being outside and doing things outdoors. And then from there, I started my geology bachelor's degree, finished that, and decided I wanted to get into water resources.
When I was in my undergrad, we had to take a liberal studies class. They told me I had an option to take physical geography. So that was the first time that I was like, you can actually do this as a career.
OEWRI stands for the Ozarks Environmental Water Resource Institute, and it functions as a research institute within Missouri State University, focusing on water resources, fluvial geomorphology, geospatial sciences.
OEWRI is totally run on team basis. There's a lot of pieces and running parts to these projects where somebody's taking the survey, somebody's taking GPS points. It's pretty much important that everybody's on board with stuff, and we get done a lot more efficiently that way too.
OEWRI being treated as a job is a really awesome experience in the sense that, we get work experience doing hands-on things that we will be doing as a profession.
The fact that I get to be a research assistant for this institute allows me to actually have real work experience and projects that I can put on an application for a job, or even excel in an interview when they're trying to figure out if I can apply what I actually learned in school. That's what this department does for me.